2011 Ford Edge, and this is the first Ford car to have My Touch. The left side controls the information about the car, such as fuel economy, the settings, your display mode, and all other information about the car. The right side, you can figure out your entertainment, your phone, navigation, and climate. And whatever you see on the right side is actually also mimics on this big screen over here. The 8-inch LCD, you can control all the four corners. It'll take you somewhere. So one corner will take you to the phone, one will take you to the navigation, one will take you to music, and one will take you to climate. And it has an awesome large sunroof. And all you do is just press this button, and you can remove the cover with the button, and then the whole sunroof comes off with the same button. Oh yeah, feel the breeze. It has the capless fuel, so you don't have to try to ruin your nails or your hands to get the cap off when you fuel gas. And there's enough room in the back seat, so on your long road trips, you can take a nap, save on hotels. Love at first sight. It's kind of boring. Let's try something different.
Please say a command.
Serious Hip Hop Nation.
Tuning to Hip Hop Nation.
I'm disappointed in you, dog. You ain't hold me down at all, but I ain't going near your jaw. I'm just gonna show you how to ball. Standing tall through the storm on the yard in the dorms, kids in prison who was.
Dana Ford Lincoln Mercury, Exit 7 West Shore Expressway.
DanaFLM.com.